welcome to my channel. This is a family of B-Dawgchannel, and we're on the road to 2K. And today we are celebrating the 4th of July. So let's go to the party table.
All right, let's get the sparklers out.
Can we do the neon ones? Oh, we can do those.
Who wants some cookies too?
I want to do
Snacks. Snacks.
I want to do these.
Want to touch my snap?
I want to do these.
All right, let's
Is
go.
the same thing as the pop it?
Snap them.
Tell me mine. Tell me at once.
Go ahead.
Come here. Ready?
I want to step on.
How's it going?
No.
Throw another one. Right in the same spot. Same spot. Again.
I stepped on.
I have in my hand, but I'm gonna throw them all.
Do it.
Oh my eyes!
What's this?
Do it.
Somebody won me. Come on. Oh God. Don't throw them actually at me. Get him.
Are these the
You lit them on fire. Where?
right next to it?
So bad at this.
Oh, that's gross. Oh. Ew. That is a snake.
I'm dropping too much.
Science is amazing.
What the hell is that possible?
Snake attack. Snake attack.
Wait. It's a real snake. Oh my God. Those pellets
How do you
grow.
use this later? Can't see anything.
Does it grow forever?
B-Dawg, I'm gonna bomb the snakes.
Okay, let
Ready?
me see.
Bomb them. Got bombs dropping.
Wait, can you touch them? Can you touch those?
They're probably. They're turds growing out of the ground.
But can you touch those turds?
Riley, come on.
I think you mean rude.
Riley, come on.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is like some ceremonial, sacrilegious thing we're doing here for candles. B-Dawg, is this your baptism?
Amen.
I do not know.
What happens if they all catch on fire at the same time and they like...
I hope you're first.
Watch out! Don't touch it towards me!
B-Dawg's lit up first. Let's see you, B-Dawg.
Stop it, you're stealing my light.
Come over here in the dark.
I can draw things. I can draw things.
Draw Javier sucks.
Javier's gonna know and he's gonna come for you.
Oh, did mine? I like how it explodes. I want to light mine. I gotta get some more. Oh, it's alive. Here. These are getting dangerously close to our hands.
Safeties are concerned tomorrow.
Oh my God!
Oh, we're gonna have a duel. Alright? First one to light on fire loses. Okay? Okay.
How long does these last?
Bree, first one to light on fire loses.
Oh, I'm good.
I'm having so much fun.
This is so cool.
I'm having so much fun. Where?
No. I don't want. I made a heart. There's a pellet. Woo! Oh my, growing down.
B-Dawg, I'm gonna light your butt on fire. Come here.
No.
Come here, let me light your butt on
I
fire.
don't want it. I don't want my butt to be lit on fire. You can lit little ones.
Come on, B-Dawg.
You You can little ones.
Light.
Yeah, it's lighting.
You're in 2nd grade now. Gotta use proper English
Oh, it touched me!
on America's Day.
Hey, mine's done.
Keep them all in one spot.
I want mine to be done.
Where do I put it?
Other one.
I have
The
the
power.
power.
The power is mine. Ow, it hurts a lot. Ow.
Having power brings great responsibility.
Oh, it's burning me so hard. I'm still holding the power.
It actually is.
Yeah.
Do it in a circle.
What were we calling
Can I
him?
do
Spaceman?
this thingy?
Yeah, daddy dogs. Man, you got 3 of them. Who wants to touch the hot flyer? Who wants to touch the hot fire? Who wants to touch the hot fire?
No.
B-Dawg, you want to touch the hot fire?
I'll light all these at the same time.
I want to catch lightning bugs. Taking a poo over.
You're taking a poo outside? 4th of July?
Poo.
Where?
I'm taking a poo.
Oh man, you got lots of
I'm
poo.
I'm picking up my own poo.
Don't play with your own poop. It's disgusting.
Who does that?
All right, guys, that is it for our first 4th of July of the B-Dawg channel.
Right, first 4th of July party.
Yeah.
All right.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Riri said happy 4th of July.
Yeah. And Breeze likes us first.
Riri's still playing with fire. Everyone's stepping on pops. Everyone's stepping on snappets.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone enjoy your happy 4th of July. Everyone go blow something up.
Yeah. Let's go blow something up.
Right. All right, count of 3.
1, 2, 3. Happy 4th of July. I couldn't even say anything.
Happy 4th of July. Say it, B-Dawg. Come closer.
Happy 4th of July from the Happy
4th of July.
Okay.
Happy 4th of July from the B-Dawg channel.
Woo!
Those actually look like someone running like